my name is Julian from MSP AG. I'm team lead of my team professional services. We are providing marketing services and automation for our customers, and we are using YouTrack to perform these services for our customers.
Why did you move from Jira and Confluence to YouTrack?
We have been using Jira and Confluence for several years before, but Atlassian's decision to retire the server editions fundamentally changed the situation for us as a company of about 50 employees. So their data center offering was far too expensive, and the cloud products neither matched our requirements nor provided the level of data sovereignty and availability we needed.
Why did you choose YouTrack?
YouTrack stood out for several reasons. So first, JetBrains offers a long-term commitment to the on-premise server version. This is very important to us, and because the server and cloud editions share the same technical foundation, maintenance and feature parity, I think, are much easier to maintain for JetBrains to sustain. And second, YouTrack provides highly flexible workflows, also very important for us, and integrated service desk capabilities and stable pricing. So, another major advantage we discovered during migration is how easy to export and import data is. That's especially important if you are working with other systems which are connected to YouTrack, and that flexibility that gave us much more power over our process data. For documentation, the integrated project-based knowledge base was also a strong argument. Its Markdown-based editor allows us further process and reuse documentation in other systems and workflows. Last but not least, another important aspect was the support experience with JetBrains. So during both the evaluation and migration phases, the product support from JetBrains was really excellent. Yeah.
How do you use YouTrack at your company?
Today, every department in our company works with YouTrack, and for most teams, it has become the central platform for both the daily operations and long-term planning. So we build numerous workflows and custom apps tailored to the needs of all our different departments, and combined with YouTrack's strong import and export capabilities, the integration with other systems has been very straightforward. We manage not only customer projects, but also lots of internal documentation projects. So one of the biggest advantages is that we no longer need separate tools for issue tracking and documentation. That's our employees really love this, that they don't have to switch between two applications like Jira and Confluence anymore.
How would you describe your migration to YouTrack?
The migration turned out to be less difficult than we initially expected. Of course, every migration project is unique because systems differ significantly in architecture and data structures. But the biggest challenges came from third-party add-ons in Jira, because many of them store their data in their own tables, which makes automated migration more difficult. But if you mainly use standard Jira fields and configurations, the YouTrack import process works very smoothly. And in our case, we had to perform some post-processing after the import, especially for assigning word item attributes to imported time tracking data. Yeah, and one thing we definitely underestimated in our first migration attempt was the sheer amount of data. We originally planned to complete the migration over a single weekend, but that proved unrealistic, and we had to roll back the first try. Fortunately, YouTrack supports continuous imports and multiple import configurations. So using those features, we migrated data incrementally over several weeks while continuously synchronizing already imported projects. And that allowed us to complete the final switch during a weekend that was focused mainly on fine-tuning. Yeah, so overall, YouTrack's built-in import tools they cover a large part of the migration process out of the box, but successful migrations still require preparation and customization and a clear understanding of the existing Jira setup.
Looking for a Jira and Confluence alternative? Switch to YouTrack and get 25% off. Server or cloud, your choice. Book a demo.